Hello students, hope you all are doing well. So, in today's video, we are going to learn about our lesson 17 environment pollution. Dear students, see the nature has given us many resources such as air, water, soil, plants, and these are called natural resources. So, we have so many natural resources with us, but in today's era that human activities has destroyed these natural resources and we are careless about them, and these things are getting polluted and making dirty. So let's see what is the meaning of pollution. Then go for its types. So what is a pollution is mixing of harmful materials in useful ones is called pollution. I simply say when land, air or water said to be polluted when if they become dirty, or we cannot use the things or the resources in the use, so because of its polluted, so it is called pollution. Now the types of pollution. There are three types of pollution. These are land pollution, water pollution and air pollution. So first we will go through with land pollution. See dear student, pollution is gradually destroying our planet. So it is very necessary to know about the types of pollution and how we can reduce this kind of pollution. The mixing of unwanted or dirty element in the soil is called land pollution. Okay, now let's go to the causes. And the mismanagement of the land is also leads to land pollution. Now see the causes of land pollution is throwing garbage in an open area, use of pesticide and insecticides and the fertilizer for a long time also destroys the land. Cutting of trees, that is called deforestation, leads to land pollution. And soil erosion and land degradation. Soil erosion means when the fertile layer of the soil will remove or move away with the help of air or water from the top layer of the soil to another place, so it is called soil erosion. So it is also leads land pollution. Now comes to the water pollution. Mixing of dirty unwanted elements in the water bodies is called water pollution. Means when the harmful elements, dirty elements mix in the water, it is called water pollution. Now let's go to the causes of water pollution. Dirty water from homes into rivers through drains leads water pollution. Dirty water from factories into the river, it may also lead water pollution. The next one is washing of clothes and taking bath in riverside or in the river is cause water pollution. Now idol of God throwing into the rivers means the religious activities like immersion of ashes of dead bodies and the idol of gods will make the water dirty. Okay. Now come to the air pollution. The mixing of dirty unwanted elements in the air is called air pollution. Okay. Air pollution may be caused due to so many reasons. Here we discuss few of them. The smoke from factories. This is the main cause, or industries pollute the air. Smoke from vehicles like buses, cars get the energy to move from petrol and diesel, and when this fuel will burn out, so it form the smoke, and this smoke from vehicles has soot and harmful gases, and it may lead air pollution. The next is smoke from burning crackers, and the garbage causes air pollution. The accidental fires and the forest fires also cause smoke and lead to air pollution. The military weapons and the rocketry also cause air pollution. Means the wartime, when the smoke removes from these weapons and the rocketry, so it is lead to air pollution. Now the ways to reduce pollution. So here, in order to live in a clean environment, we need to reduce pollution, we need to follow rules and bring changes in the environment. Some of the measures are: promote the use of CNG and LPG vehicles. This makes and give out less harmful gases. Plant more trees so that soil erosion, air pollution, and land pollution become less. Reuse and recycle the waste materials. Shift industries and factories to remote areas, and religious rituals should not be allowed in rivers. And one more another thing: clean the wastewater from our house, factories before letting it into flow into the water bodies. So dear students, this is all about environment pollution and the ways to reduce pollution. Thank you. Stay learning, stay safe.